If you're trying to integrate Breezy Cloud with AWeber, you might have run into some issues, or at least some confusion on how it actually works. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to get it working, highlight some key limitations you need to be aware of, and at the end, I'll share a better alternative that makes email marketing and automation way easier. So let's get started. First, in Breezy Cloud, head to your project and open the page where you want to add an opt-in form. Click on the form element, then go to Settings and select Integrations. Here, you'll see a list of email marketing services. Choose AWeber and hit Connect. You'll be redirected to AWeber's login page, sign in, and grant Breezy Cloud permission to access your account. Once connected, you need to choose a list inside AWeber where your new subscribers will go. If you don't have a list set up yet, you'll need to create one in AWeber first. After selecting your list, map your form fields in Breezy to match the fields in AWeber, like name and email. Save everything, publish your page, and your integration is technically complete. But here's where things get tricky. Breezy Cloud's AWeber integration is pretty basic. There's no deep automation, tagging, or segmentation, which means every lead gets dumped into AWeber without much control. If you want advanced workflows, like different emails based on user behavior, you're out of luck. And speaking of AWeber, while it's been around for a long time and is great for simple email marketing, it's not exactly the most flexible or modern solution. The automation tools feel outdated compared to what's available today, and the pricing structure can be a bit steep for what you actually get. If you're serious about building high-converting landing pages with smart automation, there's a better option. After testing all these tools, I found one that offers a more powerful, seamless experience for growing your email list and automating your marketing. ***, and you can try it for free through the first link in the description. ***. So, while Breezy Cloud and AWeber do work together, if you want a smarter way to automate your emails and maximize your conversions, check out the better alternative below.